Hi, Maddie.
Hi.
For your Filipino exam, it's very tough one.
For me, because
Very tough subject for you. So, your test will be very easy. Okay? Because what grade are you in? 3. You're grade 3 already. So, it gets harder and harder. The older you get, the higher you get, the higher level you get. For example, grade 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Kasi up to grade 12 eh. The higher you get, the tougher the subject becomes.
um is um grade 12 the highest?
Yes. And then there's still college.
Um is it like very hard?
Well, if you're already old enough, it won't be as hard.
But
Okay?
for younger ones it's very hard.
Yes, but with practice, you can do it. Okay?
Okay.
Alright. So, why don't we start with pronouncing right the words? Pronouncing the words right. Okay? Filipino words right.
What does that mean?
That means you say it the right way. Okay? So, I will recite the memory works, your memory work, and all you have to do is repeat after me. Okay? Right.
Wait. In their exam they also repeat.
No, it's different for them.
Oh.
They had to memorize. Okay?
But when I'm
Maybe next quarter you have to memorize them. Okay? Sige. Can you repeat after me? This is our Philippine national anthem. Okay? Bayang magiliw,
bayang magiliw,
perlas ng silanganan,
pero kasi
alab ng puso,
at nagpuso
sa dibdib mo'y buhay,
sa dibdib mo'y buhay,
lupang hinirang,
lupang hirang,
duyan ka ng magiting,
tuyang pangiti,
sa manlulupig,
salang
di ka pasisiin,
at di pa nasisiig,
sa dagat at bundok,
sa gatan at pundo,
sa simoy at
ang nasihan,
sa langit mong bughaw,
ang sandet ko'y buhay,
may dilag ang tula,
may at lapulan,
at awit sa
at labisan,
paglayang
patlayan,
minamahal,
ang minahal,
minamahal. Mhm. Ang kislap ng
at isat lang
watawan mo'y
ang patay mo'y
tagumpay
tagumpay
na
na
nagniningning
nagniningning
ang bituin
at bituin
at araw
at araw
niya kailan
niya
pamay di magdidilim
nagdadilim
lupa ng araw
lupa ng araw
ng luwal
lang huwag
hatid pagsinta
at sikat
buhay ay langit
buhay at langit
sa piling mo
sa piling mo
aming ligaya
ang halik at kaya
na pag
dapat
may mang-aapi
na pagpaipit
ang mamatay ng
ang nalata
ng
ng
go da
dahil sa'yo
yun alam mo pala kidding niya
you're so innocent.
oh sorry okay next panatang makabayan repeat after me
Oh, okay. At natang agkabayan.
iniibig ko
Iniibig ko
ang Pilipinas
ang Pilipinas.
aking lupang
Aking lupang
sinilangan
sinilangan.
tahanan ng
Tahanang lang
aking lahi
aking lahi.
kinukup ko
Kinukuk ko
ako
ako
at tinutulungan
at tinutulungan
maging malakas
ang aking halagas,
masipag
masipag,
at marangal
at marangal.
dahil
Dahil
mahal ko
mahal ko
ang Pilipinas
ang Pilipinas.
diringgin ko
Tiring ko
ang payo
ang payo
ng aking
ang aking
magulang
agulay.
magulay
I mean,
magulang
I mean, magulay.
susundin ko
Susundin ko
ang tuntunin
ang tuntunin
ng paaralan
ang panara
paaralan
ara ang panara
okay tutuparin ko pa rin
parin ko
ang tungkulin
ang tungkulin
ng
ng
mamamayang makabayan
mama wait mama
Ah.
I mean
mamamayang makabayan
mama mayang
makabayan
makabayan
naglilingkod
ng lili mo
nag-aaral
at
nag-aaral
nag-aaral
at nananalangin
at na
buong katapatan.
Buong bata.
Katapatan.
Katapatan. Is it?
Ka. Ta. Go.
Ka.
Patad.
Bata.
Iaalay ko
Iaalay ko
ang aking buhay,
ang aking buhay,
pangarap,
pangarap,
pa, nga, rap, rap, pangarap, pagsisikap, pagsisikap sa bansang, sa bansang Pilipinas. Next, ang guryon ni Ildefonso Santos.
Ni Ildefonso Santos.
Tanggapin mo, anak. Tanggapin mo, anak.
Amoy anak.
Itong
Iton.
munting guryon
Munting kuryong.
nayari sa patpat. Ay,
Fine.
you say it that way. Intonation. Nayari sa patpat. Again? Why are you laughing? What is
It's because you keep on saying, you keep on making funny faces.
We say, just say, nayari sa patpat. Again? Nayari sa patpat.
Okay, fine. Nariyan sat.
Patsat?
I mean,
Patpat.
pat sat.
At papel. Di hapon.
At bed.
Di hapon.
Di hapon.
Magandang laruang
Na malua ang daan. I mean,
pula, puti, asul.
Buha dihil aso.
Na may pangalan mong
May
na may
nami
pangalan mong
nami panagaso.
pangalan mong
I mean, panmalam mo
sa gitna naroon.
sabi at
Sa gitna naroon.
sa gitna ulo
Uloon, naroon.
o naroon.
Yan. Okay. And then we jump to the last stanza. Ang buhay ay guryon,
Ay buhay kuriyon.
maruo,
Marupo.
malikot,
Marikot.
dagitit, dumagit,
Kat.
dagitit, dumagit, dagitit,
Keep. What? Okay, fine. Wait, what is it called?
Dagipit,
Got.
dumagit,
Go.
dumagit,
Um.
dagipit,
Got.
dumagit,
Dumagit.
saan man sumuot.
Sumuan. Sumuot.
O paliparin,
O pari-pari.
mot,
Mot.
ihalik,
Ahalik.
ihalik, ihalik
Ahalik.
sa Diyos.
Sadyo. How do you say it again?
Ihalik sa Diyos.
Halik sa
Diyos.
Diyos. Yeah.
Bago pa
Bago pa
tuluyang
taluyang
sa lupay
sa lupay
sumubsob.
sumutso.
Thank you, Maddie. Do you know the story of Angkorion?
I think.
Okay. So you cannot, let me get this straight. You have a hard time speaking Filipino, but you can at least understand it.
Well, sometimes I try to not say, whenever somebody says Filipino, what? I try not to say that.
What do you say?
I sometimes accidentally say, what? Sometimes accidentally because I don't want to be like a Filipino that doesn't understand Filipino.
Ay, correct. That's why, Maddie, you have to understand and know how to speak it.
I wish I knew how to speak so much Filipino or understand.
Can you tell me a few words that you know?
Ako,
What is ako?
like I am.
Yes.
And
Ako.
see that.
What does that mean?
Like I am that. Wait, right? Am I is it recording? I'm fine. Okay. It's recording, right?
Okay, that's it.